Introducing the Lucid L300 adjustable bed frame, a versatile and feature-rich addition to your bedroom that promises to redefine your sleeping experience. Crafted with durability in mind and designed for effortless assembly, this bed frame offers a wide range of customization options, including wireless remote control and USB charging ports, to ensure maximum comfort and convenience. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Design and build quality. The Lucid L300 adjustable bed frame boasts a modern and sleek design, available in two attractive colors, black and gray. Its upholstery gives it a premium appearance, fitting seamlessly into most bedroom aesthetics. The build quality appears sturdy, with a notable weight capacity of 750 pounds for the queen size and 500 pounds for the twin XL version, which speaks to its durability. Number 2. Wireless remote and adjustability. One of the standout features of this bed frame is the wireless remote control, which allows you to adjust both the head and foot incline with ease. Additionally, it offers a memory position function, making it simple to find your preferred sleeping or lounging position at the touch of a button. The remote even includes a flashlight, a thoughtful addition for nighttime adjustments. This level of customization and convenience significantly enhances the overall sleeping experience. Number 3. Comfort benefits. The Lucid L300 comes with a USB charge port on each side of the bed, making it incredibly convenient for charging your devices while you relax or sleep. This feature eliminates the need for extension cords and ensures that your devices are always within reach. However, it's important to note that the USB ports may not be compatible with larger, bulkier chargers. Number 4. Compatibility. This adjustable bed base is designed to be highly versatile. It can be used with any bed frame, provided it fits within the dimensions. It's compatible with mattresses under 14 inches in thickness and is ideally suited for use with Lucid mattresses. This flexibility ensures that you can incorporate it into your existing bedroom setup without major modifications. Number 5. Assembly. One of the most appealing aspects of the Lucid L300 is its easy assembly. With a setup time of less than 5 minutes, it minimizes the hassle and frustration often associated with bed frame assembly. The included instructions are clear and concise, and you'll find all the necessary components neatly packaged. Number 6. Maintenance. Maintaining the Lucid L300 is relatively straightforward. The polyester fabric can be wiped clean with a dry cloth, helping to keep it in good condition over time. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 74.5 inches length by 52.5 inches width by 15 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Wireless remote control for easy adjustments. Memory position function for personalized comfort. USB charging ports for device convenience. Quick and hassle-free assembly. 1 reason not to buy. Some users may find the price relatively high. Conclusion. The Lucid L300 adjustable bed frame is a well-designed and versatile choice for those seeking an adjustable bed base with a range of features. Its wireless remote, USB charging ports, and easy assembly make it a standout option in its category. However, potential buyers should ensure their mattress is compatible with its dimensions, and while the USB ports are convenient, they may not accommodate larger charger plugs. Overall, the Lucid L300 offers comfort, convenience, and durability, making it a worthwhile investment for a better night's sleep. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.